The 8-5 second choice pack plays under former champion jockey Christopher Mabdeen for trainer Rowan Matthew Jr. made all the running to land Saturday's feature event at Caymanas Park. Only 6 runners went postward for the Chairman's Trophy, a graded stakes and open allowance contest over 7.5 furlongs for a purse of $2 million. Last year's winner, Barnaby, was made the even money favourite. However, it was Pack Plays who went to the front from the get-go, and despite some degree of pressure from the Jason Acosta pair of California Crown and Gervano, the 5-year-old American-bred Dark Bay horse was not for catching on the day.
Interesting times ahead, just overtaken narrowly by Barnaby, and a Provident races last as they come inside the final 5/16th, and Pack Plays may have stolen it. Gervano is being driven to get on terms, but Pack Plays into the lane first, the rider having a peep in both mirrors as Pack Plays continues to hold the advantage, and now the stick comes out in the right hand. Gervano is left maybe 5 lengths back. Barnaby is over against the rail. It is Pack Plays attempting to go all the way in the Chairman's Trophy. The question is, can they catch the fleet of foot Pack Plays? And Christopher Mabdeen, the answer, no, they can't. Pack Plays will take it easily in the end by maybe 7 lengths. Gervano is second, Barnaby is third. Interesting times ahead is fourth.
Pack Plays covered the distance in 1 minute 31 seconds flat after splits of 24-3, 46-4 and 111-2 to win by 7.5 lengths and record back-to-back victories in a month. Jockey Tevin Foster had a double on the 10-race card, while no trainer had more than 1 win. Racing continues next Saturday.